am Carrie from seeeverythingwithher.com. I'm here to help you set up your own blog website or a website for business. So I actually started my own personal cruise and travel blog about 2 months ago, and I basically was sitting in your shoes watching YouTube videos trying to figure out how in the world am I going to create this website. So I've decided I'm going to create simple videos to help you launch your own blog or personal website. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is sign up with a hosting site. Now, I used Bluehost.com. It was simple, easy, and affordable, so I highly recommend Bluehost. I will be adding a link below. If you click on my link, I get a small little bit of commission, which I would really appreciate. No more money to you. I just get a little something extra, so thank you. All right, so after you click on the link, you're going to head to the Bluehost website. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see 3 different options for payment. You have a $3.95 a month for 36 months. You have a $15.95 a month for 36 months or a $19.95 a month for 36 months. Now, if you plan to just create a blog, I recommend just starting with the $3.95 a month. If you're interested in creating some sort of website for a business, I would recommend doing the $15.95 per month. And you can go ahead and click Learn More for more information about each of those. Now, each of the options do include a free domain name for 1 year, so that's great. You can customize your own domain name. Now, for first-time bloggers out there, I would recommend doing the basic for just $3.95 per month. So go ahead and click on that big blue Select Here button. Okay, great. Next, you're going to set up your domain name. Now, I want you to think long and hard about this because this will be your name that everybody remembers you by. So make sure you think about what kind of audience you are reaching out to, who you want to speak to, and create the name with that in mind. So now you'll need to fill out all of your account information, starting with your first name, going all the way down to your email address. Now scroll down a little bit further and you're going to come to your package information. Now right next to the account plan, you have 3 different options. You have basic 12-month price of $5.95, you have the basic 24-month price of $4.95, or the basic 36-month price at $3.95. Click whichever one you feel is best for your site. Now, to be honest, at this package extras, you can go ahead and unclick all of those. If you wanted to add those extras in, you could do so at any time. Go ahead and put in all of your payment information, scroll to the bottom, click that you have read and agree to Bluehost's auto renewal terms, and hit submit. Okay, so now all you have to do is create some unique password for you to remember and you to remember only. Hit next, and you have just created your Bluehost site. Okay, so from here you're going to choose a theme. So whatever speaks to your website, go ahead and pick that. And now remember, at any time you can go back and make changes later on. Now click Start Building. Now it's going to ask you to describe your website. So think about some keywords that people will eventually be able to Google or search for to find your website. And then click Next. Okay, and just like that, you set up your website. You are ready to go. Now I am going to teach you how to create your first blog post. We're going to do it on WordPress. Now I actually use a different thing called Elementor Pro, which I will be doing another video on. It's just a little bit more complex and it gives you more ways to be creative with your posts. So I'll talk about that in a later post, but right now we're going to create a quick and easy blog post using WordPress. So head over to the left-hand side of your screen where it says Posts and click on Add New. Now go ahead and put a title here, whatever you want your first post to be about. And this can just be an example post because your page is not actually live yet. So go ahead and put whatever you want in the title, and you can put whatever you want in the text box. And then we are gonna scroll over and hit Publish. Now scroll down and click on View Post, and you'll be able to see your post up on your website. Okay, so you have just created your website with your first blog post. Simple, easy, to the point. Now I will be coming out with another video very soon about how to customize your blog on WordPress. So make sure you tune in, and I'll see you on my next tutorial. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe below and visit my own blog at seeeverythingwithher.com. Have a wonderful day.